I wish I could say this is the best for last. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're new and this is the first time you stopping by, welcome. I'm the Mustang Hunter. I try to find as many Mustang variations as possible, but you're not going to only see Mustangs on this channel. Even though I'm the Mustang Hunter, I try to keep the variety and everything exciting for you guys, so you'll see everything from the imports and supercars all the way to hot rods, mini trucks, lifted trucks, you name it. I just want to keep it exciting for you guys. That way you're not just bored with seeing Mustangs all the time. For the majority, I find a lot of other cars outside of my collection because I'm just a huge car guy. As you saw in the thumbnail, as well as the title box, this is yet another mail call video. This box right here is actually from Amazon, so I'm going to save this one last. This is my 4th or 5th Amazon purchase, and this is a special one, so I'm super stoked to get this one. But these two right here from two collectors. You got one from Jose Hernandez and you got the other one from Kale, also known as the Nucollector on YouTube. Check out their social media platforms. I was talking to Jose on Instagram. He messaged me about, I think it was a Zamac Mustang, and then Nucollector hit me up with the blue gasser. I believe that's what's in there if I remember, but they sent me these completely free. But that's not how the Mustang Hunter rolls. If any of you guys need a specific cast, let me know. Even though sometimes casts don't mean a lot to other people, and when you give it to another collector, it means that much more. So we're gonna open up these two first and then save my Amazon one last. But we're gonna start off with Jose's box. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see. It's nicely wrapped. Whoop, almost dropped it there. Let's open this carefully. Oh yeah, boy, look at that. Man, that is clean. Number 6 of 2019 Zamac, the 2018 Ford Mustang GT from the Speed Blur series. I still couldn't find this in any bins anywhere. And you guys know I'm always out hunting and searching. So Jose, I definitely do appreciate you. That just means that much more to me, and it's going to go perfectly along with my other ones, which I have. And I have the painted version in orange, but man, look at that. Finally got the Zamac for it. I think this is my 2nd Zamac Mustang. No, 3rd. Because the other one is the Boss RTR, and then the Fox body from the Art Cars is the other one. So this is my 3rd Zamac, which I have Zamacs of all the other cars, but it's hard to find Mustang ones. So I definitely do appreciate you. Thank you so much for sending me this. Look at that. Man. So the next one is from Kale, also known as the Nucollector, and let's see what we got in this one. All right, this is a really good box. Jeez. Now I know he had mentioned that this was the first time him sending Hot Wheels in a package, and he said it was just going to be like a trial thing for him, but look at that. I think he did really well, my friend. All right. Oh wait, did he send me 2? He sent me 3 castings. Look at that. Oh my god, and they're short cards. Oh, that is so sick. I have this Joey Logano, but the fact that it's a short card, oh, that is so sweet. Look at that. Man, that card's in great shape. He also sent me the short card of the 91 Cyclone in red, which is another short card. I only have 2 short cards, which is these 2 DeLoreans right here. So wow, thank you so much for sending me that. And look at this one. This is the blue 64 Nova wagon gasser. Definitely needed it to go with my other ones right here. And I think the last one I need is the light baby blue one, but look at that. Man, these are like in perfect shape. So definitely check out Nucollector. Thank you so much for sending me these. These are amazing, and the fact that they're short cards is just awesome, because you know that we don't get those that often over here in the States. I'm super stoked to have these. These were like the bonus. I thought you were just sending me this one, but the fact that you threw in these 2, definitely awesome. And of course, you had to get me in the heart with the Mustang, so definitely do appreciate this one. Awesome Zamac from Jose. So I really do thank the both of you very much. Let me know what you guys need and I will send whatever you're looking for. All right, so I wish I could say this is the best for last, but these ones are amazing. This is just now a normal purchase, but we're gonna go ahead and check out what I ordered off of Amazon, and I hope it came in good shape because this box is completely smashed. Let's see. Well, at least they sent it right this time. Not gonna turn it over yet. Just want to make sure that's all that's in there. You know, some people like to leave little business cards or whatever, so I definitely want to make sure I have everything from the boxes. But let's see. Wow, this card's in really good shape. Look at that. Except for the bottom, but that's no big deal. You guys know that the only thing that matters is the whole graphic on that card. But look at this. The Porsche 918 Spider from the Target's Red Edition. This white and red is so clean. Oh man, look at that. One I have is in matte black and red, which is right there. But ooh, that white is fresh. Let me know which one you think is best, white or black. Comment down below. Number 5 or number 4. Didn't even know that there was a number difference. But we do now. God, that's clean. Definitely a super good purchase. I think I paid like $6 for that. Even though this is super clean and of course it's a Porsche that I love, it still doesn't compare to these castings that I got from Jose and Nucollector. Overall, this mail call was epic in my opinion because I got some awesome casts from some amazing people. And of course that one's just purchased by me. So that one is cool. Let me know what you liked. Which one of these was your favorite? Oh man, it's hard to choose. If I had to choose my favorites, it's going to be all of these. I'm not even going to single out anybody. I think they're all amazing and they're going to fit perfectly within my collection. So that's all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Mustang Hunter family and stay tuned for future videos. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.